Hi, I'm Doreen, and with Kiro's help, I built Pixel Wars, a multiplayer territory battle game for Reddit using Devit. Today, I want to share how Kiro AI transformed my development process and made building this complex project not just possible, but actually enjoyable. Pixel Wars is a real-time game where players compete in teams to control territory on a shared canvas. It features credit systems, zone control mechanics, and live leaderboards, all running natively on Reddit. Traditional development would have meant hours of reading documentation, trial and error, and debugging across multiple files. That's where Kiro changed everything. With Kiro's help, I created a specs doc describing the season system I wanted. We set up steering rules that reminded Kiro about Devit's platform constraints and best practices, and every time I asked Kiro to add a feature, it automatically applied these rules. When I needed sound effects, Kiro knew to use Web Audio API because external libraries aren't supported in Devit. When I encountered a bug with credit regeneration timers showing 000, I didn't have to explain my entire architecture. Kiro already understood my Redis storage patterns, the credit service implementation, and the client-side hooks. It quickly identified the edge case where users at 0 credits had no cooldown set and provided a targeted fix. One creative solution was the development-only admin panel. Kiro helped me create a season admin component that only appears in playtest mode using URL detection, provides instant season advancement, and automatically hides in production. This pattern is now something I'll use in every project. Dev tools that ship with the code but stay invisible to users. Kiro also generated documentation as we built, community guides, deployment instructions, technical specs, all based on the actual implementation. This saved hours of work. The patterns I learned apply beyond game development. Specs-driven development, steering rules for reusable context, iterative refinement, and documentation-first approaches work for any complex project. The key insight is that AI works best with proper context and clear goals. Kiro didn't just help me write code faster, it helped me write better code. It caught edge cases, suggested UX improvements, and maintained consistency across the codebase. Building Pixel Wars showed me the future of development where humans focus on creative problem solving while AI handles implementation details and quality. That's a future I'm excited about. Thanks, Kiro.